Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth with Live Simple, Live Free. And I'm going to do another curtain video because my other curtains came. And I'm directing this and just kind of ordering Bill around for just putting this together to show you the curtains and the blinds and stuff that I'm putting up. And he's being a real sweetie and being my cameraman and my carpenter and all that stuff that I need. So one of the first things that I wanted to do today is this door. It's beautiful. It has, 15 lights in it? That's what they call when they have windows and doors. They call them lights. And so I wanted something, though, so that at night I would feel like that it was private. And so I don't really like being on the inside looking at a total black outside at night. So we got a blind to put on it, and I think it's going to work really well. So we will show you putting up that blind, and then I'll show you getting pretty much the rest of my curtains up. The package came with the rest of all the curtains that I needed, and they accidentally forgot to include one bedroom curtain. It's no problem. I'm going to go ahead and put up the holder upper curtain rod, and I emailed them and they apologized and they're sending me another one immediately. But I'll be able to show you what it's going to look like because I do have one of them. And as soon as that one comes and I can get that hung, I think that's all the window treatments in the whole house. Woohoo! Alrighty, let's look at this blind. Now that's putting the holes in, right?
Just drilling holes.
Yeah. Cool. And that's the little thing that the blind hooks onto. So those are all you have to be able to hang the blind.
That's it. It just snaps right in place.
Wow, those are so easy and no strings to worry about.
Ooh. Wrong way. Put the top in first. That's it.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna love it. Cool.
And then you can close it with that. But then you just, like that. Last time we did this, people asked where we got them. Lowe's. Where else? We get everything at Lowe's. They cost, I think, $8 or $9 a piece at Lowe's.
Yeah, this has been great. Oh, cool. Now see, I can have it like that, or if we want to just close it up at night for some privacy. Oh, this is going to be great, hon.
And then they have these little clips here. I don't know if we're going to use them or not. But these little clips here, you can screw in that'll lock in the bottom, so if you open the door, it's not going to be flopping all around. But we may very well just pull it down at night, and then in the morning, just push it up and get it out of the way.
Yep.
Like that.
Excellent.
But we still have these little clips for the bottom if we decide to use them.
Cool. So you're measuring so you can make sure they hang evenly. I think these curtains that I found, once again at Swags Galore? Anyway, this is going to be the valance on the top, and then I'm going to actually put just 2 panels on the bottom, like regular cafe type curtains. And I'll be able to just open those in the mornings. Making it nice and even. Cool. These curtain rods are so inexpensive, and it's really, really nice.
There's a stud right here, so
Oh, that worked out perfect.
screwing in nice and tight.
Good. I'm so glad you can do this because I don't think I'd be able to reach very well. And the drill would be heavy. Okay, here they go. Very nice. Aren't they pretty? It's like embroidered grapes. I love it. Yeah, that's a good height to do it. Excellent. Now we're going to hang the lower panels so that it just comes to the bottom of the window, and then I'll open those in the mornings. My first set of curtains that I got were just hypes that just did not need to be ironed or anything. But these were just, these in the bedroom ones were just a teeny touch more wrinkled. So I've already washed them a real delicate cycle, very gentle drying, and they came out beautiful. So I was really pleased how well that worked out. Okay. So, yeah, I think that's really pretty. And it gives privacy because you can't really see out there much at all. And then in the morning, I will just open them up. And yeah, be able to look out my window. I think they're really pretty. It's great. Yeah, like little grapes. And they're very cheerful. And it works, I think it works really well with my wall. Okay. And I love having this here outside, just blowing in the breeze. It's church chimes. I just love this thing. I'm going to move it a little bit. You can hear how beautiful it is. It's so pretty outside the kitchen window. Bing bong bong, bing bong. I love tune chimes. And this is going to be a big one, just like we have in the living room. And it'll have a little hook to support the rod halfway across. I love this little church. I inherited it from my mom. Okay, he's getting the rod up there now. Now he's going to position the little support. All right, I guess that little end piece isn't going to stay. We keep popping the little plastic end piece on the blind and it keeps popping out, so. Boy, did you get tall. All right, excellent. Now this one is going to have 2 swags with valances in the middle, and that'll just pull the shade down at night. When we get the washing machine moved, it's going to be a beautiful, nice, big open window. Oh, thank you, hon. So it is coming together in here. Now this washer and dryer is going to turn and be right beside the refrigerator.
It's going to be over here.
Yeah, and we're going to have just the amount of room in there to keep the heat duct from being covered, and I think it's going to work really, really well. And then this whole window will be just kind of open. But I love the curtains, and I was able to get this table and chairs at Goodwill. I love them. It's got leaves that I can use if I ever just, have a bunch of company over. This was my mom's china cabinet. This was Bill's grandmother's china cabinet. And anyway, I think the kitchen's really coming together. I love the yellow, and I think these are going to really be pretty. I really like them. All right, now we got a curtain in the bedroom to show you, and that should be just about it.
There's a stud here too.
Oh, cool. I'm sure makes it sturdy.
Yeah.
And oh, do I dearly love that painting. It was a miracle I could get that. It was just one blessing after another that I could even afford it. Excellent. I'll show you this. It has a scripture at the bottom. This beautiful picture of Jesus and the little baby. Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Pretty cool. Now for these I picked just a really rich indigo blue, real simple, but it'll be swags and a valance, and then they're lined. And then of course I'll use the actual shade to close at night. But this will just hang really pretty. And I love it with the quilt and the wall, yeah, and the carpet. And then the middle hangs down just a little bit on the valance. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, on the right. Yeah, thank you for getting that pulled up so it looks a lot nicer. And it's deliberately made so that sometimes a little bit of that white lining shows. Well, okay. Like Bill just said, there we go. Yeah. And then there'll be another one on my window, but it hasn't gotten here yet. Oh, I think it's really pretty. Look at it with the quilt, and we got the dark blue carpet. Oh, very nice. I'm pretty excited about how beautiful it really looks. Something about putting up curtains just makes a place feel settled in and so much more homey. And so I'm very much enjoying these. Well, thanks for coming along with me. I was realizing when I was looking at a couple of the clips that you saw just a little bit of my jammy bottoms that I'm wearing with my sweatshirt. I like them. They say love naps. Anyway, thank you for just being interested, and I'm enjoying this, and we will of course see you very soon. So live simple, live free, and as my handsome hubby always says, be blessed. All right, we'll see you guys soon. Love you.